Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Fatematuj Johora, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a class for the students of class 7, and our today's topic is about exercise. We have finished our chapter 1 and all the lesson of chapter 1. So we will start today exercise. Dear students, let's start our today's topic. It is lecture number 5 and HW number 5. Here in your exercise book, dear students, here it is page number 25. You can see here creative question are given, creative question 1 and creative question 2. You have to do it. I will give the hints of this answer all here ABCD, and you have to do it with the help of this hint. Okay students, I hope that you have understood. This is page number 25. Okay, now let's start the hints. Here CQ1 1A answer, you will get it in lesson number 1. Okay, lesson number 1 you will get the answer, and B answer you will get lesson number 9. In lesson number 9 you will get the answer, and C answer you will get lesson number 2 and 3 combined. You have to write it with the help of these two lessons. And here D answer you will get it lesson number 2 and lesson number 1. With the help of book you have to write yourself the answer. Understand, dear students? And it is CQ1 answer. Now come here, it is 2 CQ2 A you will get, it is lesson number 6, page number 7. I have mentioned here page. And B lesson number 6, page number 7. And C you will get the answer lesson number 6 and lesson number 9 combined. You have to give the answer. Okay, and lesson number D, last one CQ D answer, lesson number 6 you will get the answer. You have to do all these things answer. And here is the HW, it is HW number 5. It is exercise CQ1 A B, you have to do with the help of book, you will get it. And exercise here CQ2 A B answer, you have to do your HW. Dear students, I hope that you will get the answer. Here you can see here it is CQ2 answer in your book, lesson number 6. Here you will find the answer in book, and here CQ2 A answer here, and CQ2 B answer is here. Okay, I hope that it is page number 12. You will get the answer here. From this book you have to write the answer. And in lesson number 9 you will get the answer here. Akhirat means. Okay, here is also the answer of what is here, that will akhirati here about this. This is number B. Okay, number B CQ1 B question, here you will get the answer. It is 1 CQ1. Okay, B answer you will get here. And number 1, it is what is Tawhid, you will get it in the lesson number 1 first. What is Tawhid, you will get it. You can here also get the answer Tawhid, here also you can get the answer. So listen, dear students, I can write the answer, but I wanted that you will get the answer from the book with the help of book. You don't use the guide. With the help of book you have to find out the answer and write it. Do the HW and do it in your CW copy. It is C and D, write the answer, and you have to show me in live class. Okay, dear students, hope that you have understood today's lesson. You have to do the exercise yourself with the help of my hints. Okay, that's all for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.